Okay, throttle up and take off. "15 meters, but I need to get to 30 to allow transition." So just click the button to go from VTOL to plane mode. Very smooth. Nice clear views, left and right. Wobbling right. Stick just to the right. The auto-coordinated turn compensates with pitch to maintain a reasonable altitude. Now diving down, again leaving the left stick alone. It decreases the throttle automatically and then levelling off. Getting to about 80 kilometers per hour. And although we've got the real-time telemetry displayed in the FPV goggles OSD, which is what us FPV pilots are used to, we've also got these in-cockpit OLED displays displaying the pitch ladder and the artificial horizon, and even radar picking up other X-wings if they were flying. Banking left my last downwind pass before turning for landing. So I'm going to line up with the centre of the field and then pop into VTOL mode when I get level with the windsock. Clicking the VTOL button now. And got my head over to the left so I can spot my landing. Also using the vertical speed, which is just below altitude, aiming for 0.5 meter per second. And down. Thanks for watching. Follow Essential RC on YouTube or Facebook to see our series of full review videos on this amazing new Flywing X-Wing.